If you're looking to replace the door latch switch on your front load washing machine, I'll show you how. These two screws hold in the door latch. To access it, you have to remove this rubber piece here. If you look closely in here, there's a piece of metal that holds it in place. Pull the rubber and just pull it out. You'll see the metal ring pops right out. Remove the metal ring. At the end of the ring, there's a spring that holds everything together. Now the rubber piece pulls right out. Now you can see the back of the switch right here. Make sure everything's unplugged and take the screws out. With the screws out, here's the switch. Remove the plugs, push down on the tabs, and pull. They come off fairly easy. And now we've got the switch off. To open up the switch, just pry it apart. Here it is opened up. Plug in the new part and put everything back together. Insert the screws, pull the rubber piece back into position. If you put all the rubber in place first, start the ring at the top and then pull it all the way to the spring at the bottom. Set the ring in at the top and work it all the way down. Then work the spring in behind the rubber as well. Now everything's back into place.